Evil Queen Squad, so I still don't know what to do about the whole Jade thing. I don't know anymore. But I'm gonna so I'm gonna show you guys the Evil Queen Squad. So basically, I'm gonna add the group chat link like in every video of mine, so you guys can join. So the link will be in the description down below in every video of mine. And if I forget, then I'll just like see in the chat, cause like I forget things a lot. So yeah, but yeah, comment below what I should do about the whole Jade drama. Like I don't really know what to do anymore. So anywho, yeah, I'll see you guys later. No, I'm gonna get the link ready. I'm gonna say never. Okay, I'm gonna copy them and yeah, copy it. So yeah, bye, Brooklyn.